Welcome to Business Connection Zoom Edition. I'm Liz Spencer. I'm joined today by Anthony Trunnell of Trunnell Insurance Services. Anthony, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Anthony, you're our insurance guy. I always appreciate when we have you on the show because you give us a lot of good things to think about. With the stay-at-home order in place, what should we be thinking about for our insurance?
Well, number one, obviously, you always want to pay your premiums, keep your policies in force. Every insurance company out there is going out of their way to push premiums back. I mean, all you've got to do is call them and ask. They're being in fact, it's probably the most flexible I've ever seen them be since I started doing this. I mean, they'll push it back. They'll really work with you. So, but every company's different. So I don't want to say that, call and they'll do this since they're all offering, different things. So, but they will be flexible. I guarantee it. They're waiving fees. They're waiving cancellation fees. They're waiving everything.
So it sounds like the best course is to really reach out and talk to somebody if you're having trouble making your payment.
Correct. Yes.
Awesome. Now, we have been hearing a lot in the news and on advertisements about maybe a refund because of our auto insurance because we're not all traveling as much. What's really the story behind that?
Well, I mean, it's nice. It's a nice gesture. And I mean, it was a good move by the insurance companies. But I can tell you, I think people are expecting like Allstate reported like 600 million, right? They're the first one to do it. 600 million divided by all the people with their policy, though, I think the average refund is going to be $30, $50. I mean, so it's nice. It's not huge, though.
I think it is nice, a nice gesture because we are driving less. So we're thinking about, and we're all a little worried about our finances. So we're trying to figure out ways to save a little bit of money. Yeah. Definition of storage of an auto insurance policy. What is that? An
insurance company is not going to give you a big discount on it unless they're not going to let you, quote, put it in storage unless you drive the car. You don't drive the vehicle for at least 30 days. And that's a stretch for a lot of people. If you're still using it once a week, that's just considered light usage, but that's not enough to, quote, put the car in storage and say, I'm going to get a big chunk of premium back for the month because you're still using it incidentally.
Anthony, with being at home so much, we're thinking about homeowners insurance. Is there anything we should be thinking about for the COVID-19? Is there any help or relief that way?
Not really, because home insurance is more based on the weather, and obviously COVID doesn't really affect it that much. And right now we are in the worst part of the year for home losses. We're going into spring. You can have snow, you can have hail. This is the main part of hail time of the year is these 90 days. So not really, there's nothing to change.
I would have thought winter would be the worst time for homeowners insurance.
Last winter was pretty bad, but this winter actually was pretty tame.
So, Anthony, it seems like with the COVID-19 pandemic that we're in right now, the best thing to do for our insurance is to really reach out to our agent like you.
Yeah, they know your policy best. They know what you're entitled to. And it's just good to have that conversation with them, especially if there's a change that's going on in your life. It's good.
Absolutely. Well, Anthony, thank you as always for stopping by Business Connection and telling us about what we should think about for insurance. We appreciate it. We wish you a lot of luck and keep well. Be safe, my friend.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care.